90% of shifting issues are cable tension, yet most riders immediately grab a screwdriver and mess up their limit screws. Let's fix the physics behind your drivetrain. Before touching a single screw, check your derailleur hanger. A hanger bent by just 0.5 degrees throws off the parallelogram geometry entirely, making perfect indexing mathematically impossible regardless of screw position. The high and low screws are purely mechanical hard stops. They prevent the chain from falling off the cassette. They do not dictate shift quality. If your chain isn't jumping off the gears, put the screwdriver down. Shifting accuracy relies on cable tension balancing the derailleur spring. A single barrel adjuster click changes cable length by roughly 0.1 millimeters. If the chain hesitates moving to larger cogs, you need more tension counterclockwise. Finally, the B screw controls the vertical chain gap. Too large, and the guide pulley is too far from the cogs, increasing lateral chain flex and slowing shift response. Shimano 12-speed systems require a precise 6 mm gap for optimal engagement. Follow this strict engineering order to eliminate variables. Align the hanger, set H/L limits with the cable detached, clamp the cable to index, and finalize with the B gap. Deviating from this sequence creates a cycle of endless overcorrection. Respect the geometry, follow the sequence, and ride completely silent.